Hello, welcome to my channel. These nails, I have them for 2 months. Yes, I keep them 2 months. I want to see how they will last, how it will be, how my nails will be. I usually don't encourage to keep nails more than 3 weeks because the gel is curing continuously. This middle finger, I just remove it now, the nail, so it didn't pop off. All nails were lasting for 2 months without lifting. These are the items that I'm going to use in this video to remove the nails and to see how my natural nails will look. I will explain them while I'm using them one by one. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see any particular video, and check as well all the products that I post here. I have them in the description below. You can check as well my TikTok account, beautifulforlove.nails, and my Instagram account, Pinterest as well. Now, let's see how it will be this nail removal. I'm curious to see how my natural nails will look like. We are starting by removing first the shine, the top coat, the first layer with a ceramic bead, medium coarse, and I will cut the length. It will be easier. I don't need to file down what I don't need. So now they are short enough. I will just start by removing the gel. You can use it normally at 20,000 RPM speed, but you have to check your drill machine how it will hold the speed. Because I'm doing on my right hand, I'm using the drill machine on a reverse. It's removing very fast. I like this set. By the way, I like it a lot, this set, so it was very easy for me to keep it for 2 months. As you can see, it's removing fast. There is very thin layer of gel. I don't have too much to remove. They grow very nice with no lifting, and if you can see as well the shape from the cuticle down, it is smooth. After I remove all this layer, I will remove the gel, the remaining gel. I will remove it. And there are two methods that you can use. You can use the acetone method or the magic gel removal. Now the acetone method, I use it 2-3 times, I think. But I cannot say that I'm a fan of it. I don't like how much is drying my skin around cuticle, no matter how much I'm protecting with creams and oils around cuticles. But as well the nail plate, I don't like how much is drying. I think it's going too much, excessively. I've been looking to other videos of nail technicians, nail artists, nail enthusiasts. They are using acetone continuously. I mean, every nail set, they are removing the nail set and they are using continuously. And I don't know how their nails are supporting this. But as we know, each person is different. So it's a good thing that we are having plenty of products and methods to choose from, and which method serves you best, you use that one. For me, this I think is my best method to use for removing gel, is this magic removal, and this I bought it from M-Share. Of course, you can find it in the links in the description below. This is under AliExpress. But it's very easy and quick to remove. I just put it on, let it for 1-2 minutes and scrap it. and it's going away easily. So I really like this method. I think I've mentioned it in other videos of mine, but I will keep repeat it. Yes, I will repeating. I will be repeating it. As you can see, I'm still shy in talking, so let's move forward. After removing all this, which is taking very less time than with the other method, but anyway, whatever method you are preferring, it's your choice. And yes, this now I'm using the buffer. These buffers, I have them from Shein. I think I mentioned in other videos of mine. They are very good, nothing special. A normal buffer, but it's good. And I'm using the buffer just to, in case there is anything remaining, but usually there is not remaining any gel. It's just to smooth the nail only, because I scrap it. So I need now to make it smooth. It looks like I'm harsh with my hand, but it's not. Sometimes it's difficult for me to do nails on my dominant hand. So it's difficult for me. Sometimes it's easy. I don't know. It's depending on the day. Now, if there is any remaining left, I do have the habit sometimes to force it instead of adding a little bit more gel. But when I see that it's really not easy to remove it, the remaining gel, I will go with another layer of this magic removal and let it sit for 1-2 minutes and doing the same process again. And now you see it's going immediately. That is what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Yes. Now I will push the cuticles. This is another step. Pushing the cuticles just to lift them from the nail plate and to use the drill bit after, or you can trim them if you want. Back in the days when we were not having this drill machine, we were pushing the cuticles and after that cut them. Now we add another step, pushing the cuticles, using the drill machine, and the third step is cutting the cuticle. The same thing I'm doing with the drill machine. I'm using it in, sorry, it's not the same thing. I'm using it in forward motion, I think, on my dominant hand. Forward or reverse? No, I think I'm using it in reverse. So with this drill bit is a diamond bit, conic type. I'm using it to remove any dead skin that is on the nail plate and to push a little bit more to clean under the eponychium. If you can see in a Russian manicure, when they are lifting the cuticles, and as this drill bit, it goes inside the skin. Well, not all the people have this type of cuticles. Some of, like me maybe, we cannot go deep under eponychium. The cuticles are short, are small, and are dry and mostly glued to nail plate. So for this, it's not advisable to enter too much with the drill bit, because you can risk cutting and you can risk creating a gap that you don't need. A gap means that you will take a layer from your natural nail, more layer than you need, because a layer is already going from your natural nail, a layer of shine when you are buffing it. But with drill bit, you will go deeper and you will take the layer that you really need, is a protection layer for your nail. So you have to be careful and you have to understand your cuticles. Of course, if you are cutting your cuticles, or you are cutting yourself around sensitive area, will not happen anything. Only blood will come out and finish. But the most important part is have your tools sanitized. And do not use them from another person. Not even if it's your relative, your sister, your mother. Do not. These tools are just individual use. One time, and after that you sanitize them. So I've been talking, and in the meantime I was doing the cuticles. I trimmed them. I'm using the Stalex cuticle nipper. I love it. It's amazing. They have so many cuticle nippers. If you want to check their site, is stalex.ae. I think .ae because I'm in UAE, but you can check it. They have stores all over the world. So these cuticle nippers are sharp, are fine. They have different sizes, and different sizes to match each hand, and different sizes to match the comfort of the blade, with what size of blade you are comfortable with when you are cutting cuticles. So a very smart choice. And yes, we did talk today about other things. Now, do you want to see longer videos or shorter videos? Remember, your skin is dry, so as much as you want to have perfect cuticles, if the skin is dry, if you are looking at my hand now, the skin is dry, so it's more flaky than actually is. This is like an illusion, optic illusion. It is better to let it to use the disinfectant, and after that to see what you really have to cut, because when it's flaky and is dry and is so flaky, you will have the tendency, like I'm having now, the tendency to keep removing. It's not perfect yet. It's not perfect. I need to put more. I need to cut more. But it's just an illusion. And I think that was all. I will see you in my next video. I wish you a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.